All right, today is day 6 of the build. Greg is just finishing up doing the infill wall section in a small opening that was on the existing lanai. The room itself is pretty much buttoned up except for the trapezoids and the transoms. We have to order those once we get the room built because we can't determine the exact size of them. But as you can see, all the other windows are in. And he's got the roof buttoned up nice and tight. We did a sandstone finish roof here, and you can see how up above where he ties into the house, he actually puts a groove into the side of the existing stucco, so he can tuck his flashing into that and seal that in, and then he brings it down onto our roof system, and that's all sandstone flashing to match the roof system. So these are made to be watertight, boy, and they are. One thing we pride ourselves on is not getting callbacks and doing the job right in the first place. Okay, on the front side of the building, you'll see the trapezoids, which are just openings. At this point, we've taken measurements and the windows have been ordered. What we do until they come in, it takes about 2 weeks for those to come in. We cut panels that match all of these openings, leaning up against this tree here. So we do get the room weather tight over that 2-week span while the homeowner's waiting for those windows to come in, and they can start setting up the room. Once we go to install those windows, we do everything from the outside, so they really can set up their room. This is the right projection wall where the entrance door is to the room. We have upper transoms here as well, and those have been ordered along with the trapezoids. You see the door is yet to go in. That will probably be going in tomorrow. Today is electrician day. We have a couple electricians here today wiring up the room. We'll go in and take a look and see what they've done and how we run the wiring in the room. Okay, we have what we call a vertical electrical post. They run between all the windows in the room, and it's made for our electrical to run in. We have snap covers that go on after we get inspection, so everything's hidden. With the extrusions that we use, we're able to run all the way around the room. We're able to get into that top header along the walls and just keep coming down every one of these studs, so that you can put as many receptacles as you want in the room. And this customer wanted more than we normally put in, but we're more than happy to accommodate. Over here we have, on this particular job, the homeowner had previously ran a 30-amp dedicated circuit out on the back of his home, knowing that eventually he's going to put a room in with the spar in it. So right now they're putting a panel in place where we can put circuit breakers and individual circuits for the room, as well as GFI circuits for underground piping, which we installed prior to the slab being poured. This is where the swim spar is going to be located, right here in this corner. And knowing that, and when we built the room, all of the glass that is within 60 inches of the water's edge is all tempered glass. That's something that's required by code. So all of this wall that you see there is all tempered glass, and most of this front wall as well.